shock is going to come, because they will not believe. It's only with the viewers we actually know that these things are what is happening in the house. And I like the fact that they were all shocked, even though they were all suspecting. Just like I told you guys earlier, one day the game will get intense, that they will finally have to open up. But I like how smart those couple are, that they were able to hit these things and kept them guessing. Do you understand? So the expression of Toyosi and Damilola was so priceless, because you could naturally feel that that's the way you're supposed to feel when you get that kind of gist, even though they were suspecting. But then again, I like the way they felt so unaware and all of that. So guys, they made me so emotional when they were talking about how they left early. Usually I thought Big Brother usually leaves the first week, then the second week anybody can. So that week you can be able to explore what you are, and people can see what you can offer. Do you understand? But it just dawned on them and they left early. So according to Toyosi, Dami has been blaming herself. This is a friendship of 7 years, and I hope they sort it out. Yes, guys. So guys, can we talk about SOOJ and Victoria? I think they are getting to know each other. Maybe there will be a ship there. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think there is going to be ship there? Because I don't understand SOOJ anymore. One time he said he likes Nelly, second time he's now Victoria, and these are two sharp babes in the house. Do you understand? And Victoria is a very reserved person. People might misunderstand her, but she's a very reserved person, if you ask me. So she's not uptight like people think, but it's just that the partner she has, maybe is not her kind of person, or maybe she's still that kind of person. But this guy is going to try to explore by following the twins, because he felt that Victoria is going to spoil his game. But SOOJ is really interested in the girl. It's the same thing with Nelly as well. So which one do we follow? So he already told Toffa, his colleague, about these two ladies. Do you understand? And I think Victoria is a calm person. I wouldn't say immediately that she really likes SOOJ. Do you understand? But there's something there again. These three's partner, Mayor Froch and Toby, especially Mayor Froch or Fresh, he has the thing for this SOOJ. I don't know what they are dragging. And I felt like maybe could it be Nelly that is the problem, because he was once telling his partner, was it yesterday, that the guy is very sneaky. Like he meant SOOJ is very sneaky, and he's a sly, someone that keeps secret and all of that, that he doesn't fall well with him. And of course, guys, they won this what is it called on Sunday. So now he might decide to lure his partner to vote out SOOJ and his partner. What do you guys think? Because I'm now worried that this guy may convince his partner to be, based on their winning the custodian challenge, to vote out these guys. But I'm glad that people really like SOOJ. And in case you don't know SOOJ, that is SOOJ. So I just hope that they don't use because of this. Or maybe, I know that when you come into a house, some people may not like you. So I think both ways they have a reservation about each other. So, but me, I'm just saying, I beg, me, they no just read this guy out because of one thing or the other. When they won that custodian challenge, they chose the green pepper, and I don't know what is in it. Only God knows till Sunday. So guys, this is where I drop my gist. And in case you're new here, just kindly follow me. Let's gist this together. See you guys in my next video. Bye.